Hello sa tanan, welcome back to my channel, Math Tutorials by Barry Umongos, and also to my Facebook, YouTube channel, Barry Umongos I Will Love Math. So today we will continue discussing on how to solve quadratic equations. Okay. So since we're done with the two methods in solving quadratic equations, we're done with extracting the roots and by factoring. So we are now in our third method, solution by completing the square. Okay, that is because, as I have said, we have many ways on how to solve quadratic equations. So we are now on the completing the square. So the question is, how are we going to use this method, no? So we have to consider some steps para dali na pud nato siya maansiran by just understanding the concept from the steps nga atong i-follow. Okay? Step 1, transpose all terms involving a variable to the left side of the equation and the constant to the right side of the equation. Okay? So dapat daw atong ipangbalin sa left side katong naay mga variable o kato ding constant or number lang alone dito sa right side sa equation. Step 2, be sure the squared term has coefficient 1. Unsibot pasabot. So kailangan daw class, dapat kung naay x squared to the power of 2, dapat 1 na din yung coefficient ana, wala na laing number. Okay, for example, x squared plus 3x plus 10. Okay. So dapat x squared na din siya, yung coefficient is 1. Follow? Muna siya si step number 2. Okay? Be sure the squared term has coefficient 1. So wala na yung number. Kung naagri number din na, we will divide each term by that particular number. Para lang jud x squared na ang mabilin. Okay? Step 3. Add the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of the variable involved to the both sides of the equation. Okay? Making the left side a perfect square trinomial. So later may bawaan na nato. So mag-add na daw ta og square of 1/2 of the coefficient of the certain variable diyan sa middle term niya sa both sides sa equation, no? Number 3, express the left side as a square of binomial. So okay, ma-factor naman ni nato diri perfect square man siya. Sa number 3, ato din siyang express nato as a square of binomial, no? Then 4, take the square roots of both sides, no? Kay square man siya diri, square of binomial. So ato din siyang step sa next is i-take na to yung square root. Then 5, let's solve for the particular variable. Okay. So again, before you proceed to the solution or in solving quadratic equations by completing the square, mao ni siya tong first illustration, no? It says here that to complete the square of x squared plus kx, meaning kung kanina ang gihatag sa inyo x squared plus kx, just add k over 2 to the power of 2 or 1/2 the coefficient of x, no? The square of 1/2 the coefficient of x or k over 2 squared. Kana si k plus k, unsa na siya nga number din na. Ka-follow? So unsay may tabuan ni mo na din na siya. X squared plus kx plus ato din siya gidugangan og k over 2 to squared. Si k kay mo ni siya ang number diri coefficient ni x. Kay mo ni siya si mut pasabot aning step sa number 3. Okay? So, we're excited na. Let us now solve example number 1. Solve by completing the square. By the way, class, pwede na to na siya masolve og any method ha. Later, magmumantaan ni tanan sa method sa in solving quadratic equations. It's any method din pwede niyo gamiton, no? So, kanin usually, kanin completing this square, magamit siya sa differential calculus na mga topic dito nga magamit dito ginunaani, no? Sa katong analytic geometry na adya po ni siya mag-complete sa square. Sige. So solve x squared plus kx plus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. Unsa gali atong first step? Unsa atong first step? I-transpose nato ang constant sa right side. So ang magpabilin din na x squared plus 6x is equal to si 1, ibalin na to sa right side, may mo siyang negative 1. Okay? Can you follow? So ato lang gibalin si positive 1 dito sa right side, so that becomes negative 1. Okay, now try to look at the left side of the equation. Pareha na siya ang ginani nga forma class, no? Pareha na siya ani. Dun sa iyang gi-add katong coefficient ni x. Okay? So let's add. You have x squared plus 6x plus 6 over 2 squared is equal to negative 1 plus 6 over 2 squared. Okay? So, 6 atong gikuan kay mao may coefficient diri ni x. So, mo siya tong k diri. Klaro? Okay, padayon ta. So, you have here x squared plus 6x plus what is 6 divided 2? We have 3. Then squared, right? 6 divided 2 is 3, correct? So, is equal to negative 1 plus 3 to the power of 2. Kung unsa tong gi-add diri sa left side, nag-add punta dito sa right side. Kay mo na siya tong steps, no? Kung unsa tong i-add sa left side, ato pong i-add dito sa right side. Okay? So simplify further. This is x squared plus 6x plus what is 3 squared? That is 9 because 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Is equal to negative 1 plus, again, equal to 9. Okay, susunod. This is already a perfect square trinomial. So, ato ni siyang i-factor as a, what? A square of binomial. So, perfect square man siya. Talaor ta dito, unsay square root sa 9, 3, naara siya. Then positive ta 9. So, what will happen? This becomes x plus 3 squared. So, this is a square of binomial, no? Ang factor daw ani is kani. No? Kung kadumdum pa ta sa perfect square trinomial. Okay? So, this is the square of binomial. Kani siya atong gisulat o ginanani. So, padayon, what is negative 1 plus 9 or 9 minus 1? You have 8. Okay? So, naanatay, square of binomial sa left side, then we have 8. Unsay sunod? Take the square roots of both sides of the equation. So, atong is i-take na itong square root, katong subtracting the root, kay to the power of 2 man siya. Okay? So, what will happen? Take the square root to both sides of the equation, kay to the power of 2 man, so you have 8 to the power of 2. Okay? Ay, no. Square root. Square root na to si 8. Okay? So, here, we could cancel the radical and the power 2. What is left? X plus 3 lang ka. Is equal to positive, negative. What is the square root of 8? That is 2 square root of 2. Because, nga naman, di ba kung kadumdum ta? Square root of 8 is just equal to square root of 4 times square root of 2, correct? What is the square root of 4? That is 2. Then you just copy the radical 2. Square root of 2. No? Dali na kayo. So here, let's solve for x. So what you're going to do here is we just simply transpose positive 3 to the right side of the equation. No? So, this becomes x is equal to, kay positive man siya, may mong negative 3. Then you copy plus, minus, you copy 2 square root of 2. Okay? Then solve for x. Duha man yung root anak, kay plus positive man siya negative. So now we have x is equal to negative 3. Si plus atong gamiton, plus 2 square root of 2. Ang isa, x is equal to negative 3. Kanina pong minus. Minus 2 square root of 2. Okay? So therefore, muna siya atong solutions. No? Or the roots of the equation. Or the solutions. Kaning dua na x. Okay? Sabtan ba? Naklaro ba pagka explain sa inyo? Wala na pangutana? So, that's the beauty of completing the square. Okay, so let's move on to another example. You are given 2x squared minus 6 is equal to x. Okay. Now, try to observe what is given class. Unsa ka atong pwede buhaton? So, try to analyze sa atong steps. Okay? Naa may constant diri sa left side, na ay x dito sa right side. Ato silang ipang transpose sa kada isa, ipang balin nato. So, meaning to say, Mahitabo, you have 2x squared. Kani si x atong ibali sa pikas, minus x is equal to, kani po si negative 6 atong ibalin sa pikas, ma-positive 6 na siya. Follow ta? Okay, inana naman kita itong buhaton first step. Okay, now try to observe na ay value greater than 1 sa tapad na x squared nga 2. Unsa gyatong buhaton? Kay dapat be sure the squared term has coefficient of 1 only. So, i-divide nato siya og 2 each term, no, sa both sides sa equation para ma-x squared na jud siya. So, ma-cancel 2 divide 2, so 1, so you have x squared minus 1 half x is equal to, what is 6 divide 2? You have 3. Kapalo ta? Okay. Huli pangutan na? Okay. Now, mag-add na din ta og square 1 half the coefficient of the variable x. So, you have here x squared minus 1 half x plus, i-copy na to yung sign, negative 1 half divided by 2 to the power of 2. Okay, mo man itong k, negative 1 half. So, i-copy na to yung sign kay negative man. Is equal to 3. Kung sa atong gi-add diri sa left side, mag-add punta sa right side. Plus negative 1 half over 2 to the power of 2. Kuha na to, class? So, kung sa itong gi-add, mga itong gi-add, yung negative 1 half man, mamuna itong coefficient ni x diri, negative 1 half x. So, katong atong value nga k, kani, kay negative 1 half man, so mo itong gi-add. Padayon ta. You have x squared minus 1 half x plus, simplify, negative 1 half divided by 2, so negative 1/4 squared, right? So, is equal to 3 plus, parehara Japon, negative 1/4 squared. Okay. What's next? So, simplify further. So, you have x squared minus 1 half x plus, you have, what is negative 1 squared? 1. What is 4 squared? 16. Okay? Is equal to 3 plus, parehara Japon, 1 over 16. Kuha na to, class? Okay, this is also a perfect square trinomial. Gaya lang, fraction lang siya. So, para dili ta maglibog, i-observe lang nato unsa yang ibabaw to negative 1/4. So, negative 1/4 atong factor ana. That is x minus into sa inyo 1/4 to the power of 2. The square of binomial na siya. Pari ani. Tanaw lang ta ani. Kung saan pag-factor ani square of binomial kay 9 man diri, iyang ibabaw to kay 3 man. So that is why positive 3x plus 3 squared. The same as here. Kailangan magdito siya i-factors. Tanaw lang siya ibabaw negative 1/4. So mo ni siya x minus 1/4. Klaro? Muna siyang technique ha. Pag mo maglibog kung magkuan mo mag-factor is equal to, what is 3 plus 1 over 16? You have 3 times 16 is 48 plus 1. You have 49 over 16. Klaro na to? No? Ano na siya? 3 plus 1 over 16. So 16. Atong LCD. 16 times 3, 48. 16 divided 16 is 1 times 1 plus 1. So that is 49 over 16. So that is correct. Okay? So, na square of binomial naman taon sa itong buhaton, we take the square roots of both sides of the equation. So, ato na po siyang square root. So, you have x minus 1/4 to the power of 2 is equal to the square root of 49 over 16. Okay? Okay, take naman ito ang square root. Klaro kayo mawala ang radical o ang square. So, ang nabilin, you have x minus 1 over 4 is equal to positive, negative. What is the square root of 49? 7. What is the square root of 16? 4. Right? Naklaro, class? Sa law of radicals, di ba, ang square root of 49 over 16 is just equal to square root of 49 over square root of 16. So, square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 16 is 4. So, maon na siya. Okay. Padayon, let's solve for x. We just simply transpose negative 1/4 to the right side of the equation. So x is equal to, kay negative man siya, may mo siyang positive. 1 over 4. You copy plus minus 7 over 4. Okay? So let's solve for x. Kiklaro mo kay nga duwan siya ang roots ani, kay plus ug minus man. So now we have x is equal to, you copy 1/4. Si plus sa tamag una, plus 7 over 4. What is 1 plus 7? 8. Then you copy the denominator 4, kay pareha man sila. What is 8 divide 4? That is equal to 2. Okay? Ang isa ka root, x is equal to, copy Japon ka, 1/4. Kaya man naman ta sa plus, kanina pong minus. Minus 7 over 4. That is equal to, what is 1 minus 7? Negative 6 over 4. So we can still reduce that one to its lowest term, that is negative 3 over 2. So therefore, this is the solutions. Solutions of this quadratic equation number 2. Okay? I hope natin nasabtan class na I hope na enjoy mo ani na mga examples. So sa next na tong video, I will be giving you the method number 4, which is by using the quadratic formula, no, in solving quadratic equations. So I really hope na mo'y nasabtan karon aning computing the square method. So good afternoon and thank you sa tanan nga nag-like ug nag-share sa akong mga videos. Daghan kayong salamat. I really appreciate it so much. So I hope mag-continue mo og share. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Barry Umongos. And please share it to your friends, inyong mga silingan akong Facebook page, Math Tutorial. So daghan salamat. Again, don't forget to request some topics no sa mga elementary, high school para to mabuhatan og tutorial videos. So amping ang tanan. Thank you and good day.